Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing your name and picture on Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On the home page of the Switch, tap on your user icon in the top left corner. Select Profile and then tap on your current picture to edit it. Tap on Character Me and then choose a new character for your profile picture. Tap A to select a character. Then scroll down and select Background to choose a new background color. Tap A to select a color. Tap OK at the bottom when you are happy with your new profile photo. To change your account name, tap on your current name and then simply change it and tap OK. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.